All right, guys, this is the Dynam PT STEARMAN that my friend Brian gave me for Christmas, and I changed the scheme on it and painted it. Gonna be flying this one now. It's a maiden flight. We're gonna see how she does. This one's for you, Pilot Ryan, Bobby Committer. We're gonna see how she rolls out, fellas. She's loaded. We're flying on a 4,000 pack, and right now we have no gyro. So I'm gonna hand the camera over to my buddy Brian here. You all know the ace, and we're gonna have at it. All right, so got throttle good. Take off to that way. I hope it looked like the real thing landed. Took off pretty quick, didn't it, Brian?
Yeah, because it was tail heavy.
All right, Brian said it was tail heavy. All right, fellas, we're in low rates. You ready, Brian?
Yeah.
Here we go.
I also painted mine. How does it feel, Dale? Doing better than I did. Joe, that flame's beautiful, man. God, that's pretty.
But it's doing pretty good. About got the elevator maxed out, so I'm gonna have to make manual adjustments.
Well, yeah, I lost it a couple of times, but got more film than lost. It must feel all right. Yeah, it must feel good. Sounds good. It looks great though, Jeff. You must got it down in now. on, Jeff. You gonna fly mine.
Oh no. Come on now. I am maxed out on the elevator though. With my trim and the radio, which means this plane tends to be very tail heavy, guys. I have got a lot of weight in the nose, not including the actual radian that comes on this airplane. I've added another 5.5 ounces of weight to this plane, guys. And I've got a 4,000 pack all the way forward. And I still got maxed out with the elevator. So that is her. And again, I'm just about maxed out with the elevator. So I'm going to go in there and manually change that. And I think that'll make a big difference too. Any of you guys flying this plane, you definitely want to check your weight. I'm flying at an 85 millimeter CG. I believe it could go back to 90. Again, tail heavy airplane, guys. Tried to set it up numerous ways without weight. It just didn't seem to happen. I don't know if it's because I added paint. Could be some of it. I don't think it's all of it. I just think it's tail heavy airplane. That being said, definitely be sure to get your CG right with your weight before you try to fly this plane, guys, because if you don't, you're going to hang it on that prop. And a tail heavy airplane doesn't fly but one time, as we all know. So, that being said, great flight. Appreciate it, Bitgo Bobby, Pilot Ryan. Appreciate all the support. Dynam, PT17 STEARMAN, guys. Awesome airplane. Check it out at Bitgo Hobby.